Welcome to the channel. My brother is installing a GOLDSTRIKE reflector replacement LED light off the back of the bike. Above the license plate there's a reflector, little square reflector. GOLDSTRIKE makes a replacement. Take that reflector off and you put in a little red light. It can also be a brake light, I think. The link will be in the description below. Or you can check out my website in the description below. It's a channel product website with links to all the products that is affiliated with this channel, associated with it, on camera or behind camera. Also, so if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you're notified when new videos come out. Give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below. What do you think about his little reflector LED replacement light? And we'll see you next time on the Goldwing channel. Thanks, bye.
Hey guys, I'm back over at my house. I'm actually indoors right now. I figured I'll sit down in a nice warm spot. It's winter up here while I take a look at unboxing, and then I'll go outside and install it. At least that way I can unbox it, make sure I got all the instructions and everything like that. So anyways, what I'm looking at today is to replace the back reflector on the back here with an LED light. This one's made by GOLDSTRIKE. It's got a nice little, like a Goldwing symbol inside of it, so that is kind of nice. Basically, it's clear when it's not on, and then it's got the LED inside. The red LED is inside, as you can see right here. So let me go ahead and open this up. Alright, well this should be pretty straightforward. Basically, it should just attach right into the switches back there. And it looks like it just kind of screws in. Probably replaces what's already there. But let me go ahead and get the instructions out here. Alright, so here's the instructions. It's pretty straightforward. Basically, there's two bolts up in here you take out if you ever take off the back flap. Turn around, there'll be one screw there you take out. Basically put it back in, the wiring just snaps in. You should be all set to go. I'll show you when I have it all hooked up. Alright, there will be two 5mm hex bolts up underneath here. Basically just use your light and get in there and undo those couple. Okay. There's one. And there's two. So you just make sure you pop out. Right there. There. And on the back side here, you got a plug. You can just push on the plug, undo it. Okay? So what we're going to do is take this bolt out and get ready for the new one. Okay? So I took out the reflector. It's just on there by a little bolt. And now what you need to do is you need to measure over here and drill in a hole for the wire. The wire will be just like that. Basically, you need to go over down about 3/4 of an inch and about 5/8 of an inch over from the edge. And then basically, let's see here, about 3/4 of an inch hole. Okay? I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, so I used the step drill to make this hole here. The reason it needs to be 3/4 of an inch is because you need to be able to get these through, and you could just feed them through now, doing it this way, as you can see. You just need to And then basically you just line up and drill and bolt it in just like that. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. And it'll look just like that. So I'll go ahead and bolt that up and show you what it looks like after. Alright, so this is what it looks like now. Basically it just has one screw in there. I got it in. So now you plug this in right here. Just like this. Boom. Okay. And then this gets plugged back up at the top. They say you can just stuff this down in here. Just like that. If you're really concerned about it, you can, if you really wanted to, you could like tape it down in there a little bit if you wanted to. Or whatever. But trust me, it'll stay up in there. Or even worst case scenario, you could tape this up, but it's easier to move it around when you got it. So let me go ahead and reinstall it and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. So this is what the finished product looks like. Looks pretty good to me. Looks pretty good. I'll turn it on. I think it looks pretty good. Let's see what it looks like if I okay. Awesome.